Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix video stuck while uploading the video on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok. But before that, make sure you have the updated version of TikTok, for which we can get into Play Store app and search for TikTok and click on update button over here on the right if it says update. If not, your TikTok is already updated and it might be because your Wi-Fi connection is low. So make sure you have the proper Wi-Fi connection. You can also trying switching your Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa for that. And even after that, if it does not work, it is the problem of TikTok. You can try clearing cache of TikTok as well. For that, simply tap on TikTok over here and we can see clear cache option. Simply tap on that and you can simply click on clear option over here and clear it. Once all of this is done, you can try uploading it again and your video will finally be uploaded. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.